Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex, the major. Okay, so today I want to quickly show you guys the two signals that dropped today on the VIP platform. Okay, I want to share with you the reasons because you see, one thing you need to know is that it's one thing for you to know how to interpret your candlesticks, to know your candlesticks, to know your chart patterns, to know all those things, right? And it's another thing for you to know how to um develop a trading system. Okay, how to develop a trading system. So what I'm doing today will be showing you guys my own trading system, my reasons why I took a trade around this level, why I made here my entry, and why here is my TP1, why is this my down the last TP, my target, and why I placed my SL here. I want to give you the reasons why I took those trades, the candlesticks and my confirmations, or the confluences, right? The reasons I took those trades, okay, right? So yeah, I want to show you guys my reasons, right? And also show you guys one thing you need to know. When you open your charts in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, guys, you what you need to do, you clear your charts completely. You clear your charts completely. Okay. Unless there's a trade that is still running, then you just want to monitor the trade. But you need to clear your charts because the first thing will be if you did not clear your charts, you'll be looking at because I see some charts, some people's chart that looks really dirty and messy, right? So if you not clear your chart and imagine you having something like this, yeah, and having another one here, it's affecting as I'm looking at it now, it's really disturbing my like it's affecting my sight, right? And what's gonna happen will be when you open your chart, it will be hard for you to find trading opportunity because you'll be looking at the trade you made some profits from and the trade that you did not make some profit from. You start looking at those one. Why did you lose this trade and why did you make this trade? Like why did you succeed in this trade and why did you lose a particular trade? Do you understand? So now from there, it comes with so much distraction. It will distract you and you'll be looking at how good you are and how bad you are instead of you to be looking for an opportunity to make money for that day. Do you understand? And when you have so many things on your chart, you have so many um, objects on your chart, trust me, it's hard for you to find good trading opportunity. Okay, right? Opportunities on your chart. So when you open your chart at first, you need to wipe your chart. It's very important. I love saying this. Okay, my students are aware of this. Okay, so before I go on, guys, kindly smash that like button, drop some good comments, and um, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. Remember, I told you guys we'll be having a free classes starts on the 16th of this month. Okay, it's just 4 days from now. So you need to join the free platform for you to benefit from this free classes that is coming, right? So on I dropped VIX 10 1S and VIX 10 today, and VIX 10 is not really looking good. Though VIX 10 1S is giving us so much joy, we're making good profit from the VIX 10 1S. Even the VIX 10, we just smashed CP1 around this level here before the reversal. But I'm still hoping price to drop again from that level down, right? So yeah. So when I open charts today, I look at VIX 101S because I've been monitoring this 101S. And if you want to be a successful trader, you have to plan your trade. You have to monitor your trade, right? So you can see I have price here at the key. Let me delete this. I have price at key resistance level. You can see on the daily time frame, it's a key resistance level. Trust me, it's very reliable. So I have price here at this point. Okay, so I've been waiting for price to get to this point again. Price touched this point, went down here and created a new low and went up here again. So I knew that price would be dropping again from this very level, right? So I took this trade yesterday. I made some profit from here, up here, yesterday because this is a key resistance level and it's a key supply level on this chart. Okay, so I made some profit from it yesterday. Okay, yeah, I made some profit from it yesterday around this level here. You see, price dropped to this point and went below the last low. Okay, went below the last low and created a new low. That means downtrend has started, right? Then price went up again, right, to this supply zone. You can see the pressure. Okay, so I now realize this is a supply zone because I've seen the force, the momentum here. So I decided to sell at this point. I sold at this point and price dropped down to this level. So as of yesterday night before I went to bed, I saw price around this point. I saw price around this level and I wanted to take the trade, but I realized that this zone was not strong enough to actually hold this trade for a longer time. I decided to let go of the trade, but it dropped. It dropped just as I I predicted. Okay, so but I when I woke up this morning, I saw price broke this level already and went up to retest this point. Then what I was waiting for was waiting for a rejection. Let me remove this. Okay, I was waiting for a rejection around that point. I believe you guys can see. I was looking when price went down here, went up to this resistance this zone level. I was looking for a rejection, okay, 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame rejection. A candlestick that comes with a rejection, okay, at this point, I'll be selling at this point, right? Okay, let me do it like this so that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Sorry. So that's what I've been trying to avoid. Okay. So um I was looking for a rejection around this point. Any trade, any candlestick that kind of touch this line, then rejects from this point. Okay. So you see, I was just observing and see what happened. Price touched that line, went above the line, then rejected and closed below. Then I quickly checked my 15 minutes time frame and it was a bearish candlestick. You can see here it was a bearish candlestick. So I opened a position at this point and we started dropping down to this point. So it might push up again because it's really a slow market. It might push up again to this level before dropping again. Okay. So yeah, that's why I took the trade on the VIX 10 one ace. Okay. Then also I'll give you reasons why I placed my SL, why I put my SL here, why I placed my SL right there. Okay, I placed my SL here above this level because this candlestick closed at this point. That green candlestick closed at this point, the one with the rejection closed around this level here. So I need to give it few pips above, few points above where the candlestick stopped, so that in case price wants to push up again, it could still respect that level and to um, drop back to the downside, right? So that's why I placed my SL around this level again. Get price decide to come against us, I had to hide my SL around that point, right? Mm. Now, that's it. Remember, I took the trade at this point because it's the key level, resistance level, right? And the second thing will be it's a downtrend from that point. That started creating this low here. You see, creating loads to the support level to this level, and this level was broken, went up again to this high. Then I had to sell it. I sold it at this point all the way down. Okay, so my TP here, we smashed TP1 here. Let me give you reasons why we smashed our TP1, why I placed my TP1 around that level. Yeah, I placed my TP1 around this level because I knew that price as okay. Let me check 4 hours time frame so that I get very good reasons. I give you guys a very good reason. Yeah, let's go back to 1 hour. Okay, so right here you can check that if you look to the left, you can see that around this level here, price reversed around this point, right? Check here again, there was a reversal. If I switch to line chart, you see what I'm talking about. You can see price has been reversing around this point, right? Okay, so that makes it my key zone on this chart. Price reversed around this level several times. So I decided to place my TP1 here, though I'm looking at price dropping down to this support here. But since price reversed around this level, that makes it a key zone rather on this chart, right? And I know that price might be dropping from there, so I decided to place my TP1 here. Then our TP2 is somewhere here. Our TP2 is somewhere here. Why? Because price reverse around this level, you can see the momentum when price reverse around this level. So it could do the same thing, might do the same thing. So I decided to place my TP to around this level, but I did not place it just below this line. I placed it somewhere above this line. Okay. Then price dropped. If price breaks this level, this is another zone here, support zone, okay, or demand zone. Then when price gets to, if you're my student, you know all this. When price gets to our support level, there's always some pressure, some forces, right? There's some forces around this level here. So I decided to place my TP above this zone because this is an area on your chart. Price might get to this point and decide to react. Now, if you look back to the left, okay, you can see this level here. This is our zone here. This is the line here. Price did not touch this line. It reversed around this level here. So for me to avoid something like this to happen to us, I decided to place my TP, my target above this line here. Okay, so I think that will be all for VIX 10 1S. Let's quickly check VIX 10. Okay, VIX 10 is, we've made our profits already and moved our SL. So if it has hit our break even, our trailing stop, right? So we are safe, right? So why I took trade on the VIX 10. Let's quickly check the daily time frame. Always move to daily time frame first to identify your key zones, right? Now on the daily time frame, we have something like this. Sorry, we have a zone like this. We have something like this. Okay, or maybe I can even place it here. Even if we place it right here and here. So you see that this is a downtrend. We have a low at this point, and price created a new low here before it moved up to this supply level. So it will be dropping around this level. Just that I wasn't patient enough to wait for price to get to this point. Okay, I don't know if you can see that line. Price to get to this upper point here, but this is a key resistance on this chart, and price will be dropping again. So if you quickly check on the 4 hours time frame, okay, so this is our 4 hours time frame. Let me delete all these things so that we you'll be able to see. So on the 4 hours time frame, this is our supply zone. Okay, you can see the momentum here. So price went up, down to this point, and it has taken out liquidity around this level. That's why we took the sell at this point, right? We sold at that point because we hope that price will be dropping down again. So now it has pushed up after hitting our TP1. It has pushed up back to above our entry. But the good thing is we moved our SL down to this point. So we just hit our SL and we it's the risk save, like we didn't lose anything. Rather, we made some profits from the TP1. Okay, so the TP1, I'm waiting for price to actually get to this point. Let me see. This line, the line we have here, this blue line, this other blue line we have here. I don't know if you can see that line. Uh, this blue line here. Okay, I believe you can see it now. This blue line we have right here. So I'm waiting for price to touch this line. That was the initial plan, but as human, we are greedy, and I could not wait. And fear of missing out, I did not want to miss out on this massive move. So we decided to sell. I decided to give the sell from this point, and we've made profit. We just hit our TP1 around this level. Why did I choose that as my TP1? Because price reversed, there was a rejection around this level. So there's a pressure around this level here, this level right here. There's a pressure here. So I decided to place my TP1 just above this line, and we just smashed our TP1. We've made profits already. We've made good profits already, right? So now whatever it's doing now is not our problem because we've made good profits from it. So now we are still waiting for price to take this liquidity out, grab this liquidity and take some first sellers out. Then if you see a good reasons at this point, at this resistance level, we are selling, we are shutting it down all the way down, right? Selling all the way down, guys. So that is how to, find reasons. Like that's how to trade um these markets, be it currency, be it indices, whatever market you're trading, even the crypto market, is still the same thing. Now, the reason I took this trade would be we see the first drop at this point, took out this low, okay, then went up again. You see the pressure around this level, and it printed. I was waiting for, yeah, I was waiting for a rejection and a strong bearish candlestick to tell me the momentum. You can see what happened now. Price dropped down and closed really strong on the 15 minutes time frame, and I sold at that point, and we made profit. We smashed our TP1 here. As at this same point, since it has broken this low, this level here, there's a change of character. Price might decide to drop again from this point down to this point, guys. So we are the best. I'm the best. I'm not bragging. I'm not making noise. I know this stuff. I've been here. I've been into this business for a long time now, and I know how this market works. I'm experienced in this market. So, guys, if you want to benefit, if you want to start trading, you want to recover all those money you've been losing to your brokers, trust me, I'm right here for you. Let's work together. I really want to work with every one of you. Okay. So, first of all, I'm sharing this knowledge. There are so many things you need to know. I'm sharing this knowledge when we have in our session of free classes. So make sure that you join the free Telegram channel. Let's make good money. So I still have some assets here, some assets I need to work on. I'm looking at this VIX 25 1S. I was thinking price would push up to this point and drop down to this point. That's for 25 1S. But what is seeing is ranging around this point. I cannot take that trade. I don't even feel comfortable taking the trade anymore. Then um, this video is pretty long. Sorry. Okay. So someone just purchased 100K accounts, my Forex fund, and yesterday I passed 200K accounts, my Forex fund. So if you're having challenge, you're having any problem passing your evaluation stages, I'm always here, guys. Phase one and two, I'm always here to pass it for you and equally make good profits, trade on the accounts and make good profits. So this helps a lot. You can check here with 5K, you can use 49 $50 to get 10K accounts, you can use $84 to get. Trust me, guys, this it really helps, right? So if you want, you're having difficulties, challenges, maybe you have planned to get the accounts, but you don't know how to trade, I'm here for you. Let's talk business and let's make money, guys. So this is 51s. 51s, this is our high here on the daily time frame. This is the high here. Okay. So I'm looking at price pushing to this point, okay, and probably take liquidity around this level, and there will be a massive drop. Look at this. There'll be a massive drop. We swing it all the way down, guys. We swing it all the way down to this key demand level, guys. So we are hoping it creates something like a double top here. And if it creates a double top, this is the neckline and this is the leg. This is the leg, the final leg, this way, this double top started, this is the structure. That's when this pattern started forming. So we'll be seeing price dropping down to this point, and that would be so awesome. Okay, that would be so awesome, right? So join my channel. So as for 50 weeks 50, I'm expecting price to push to this either this zone and drop, or price push to this other zone here and drop, sorry, and drop down to this other zone. So I would love to take this other price because this one is cheaper. This price is cheaper than this other price. Whatever be the case, we're just looking for reasons, pressure around this level. When price get to this level, the momentum around this level. When price start losing momentum, the bullish momentum, then we know sellers are in charge of the market. We start selling all the way down. Guys, we are making money. We are stay consistently. Okay, so look at this. I missed this opportunity. I missed this opportunity. Would have made some profits from at that point. 75 1s, but let's go. I wasn't too sure. I had to let go. I didn't feel comfortable taking that trade. So this is B1000. B1000 is doing fine, guys. B1000 is doing fine. So I'm looking at B1000 hitting this point, and sorry, B1000 hitting this point and probably drop to this demand level and woof to that level, right? So this is it, guys. We are the best. We are doing the most out here. You want to start benefiting, start making good profits, you need to hit me up. Chat me up on Telegram, WhatsApp. Check the description area to join those platforms to chat me up and let's deal. Let's make money, guys. I love it. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.